How to get my marketplace back on Facebook. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to get my marketplace back on Facebook. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Now, tap on the menu icon at the bottom right corner. If you see Marketplace here, tap on it to access it directly. If not, go back and scroll down. Then tap on Settings and Privacy. Now tap on Settings. Then scroll down and tap on Tab Bar. Now tap on Customize the bar. Here, find Marketplace in the list and tap on it. Then tap Pin to add it back to your main menu. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.